welcome back to Cano's World. We're doing
opening up
a
a
new
Shrouded Fables
these.
tin cans and 2 collector boxes.
See?
That's the only things we could find in Target today.
Yeah.
But we'll continue getting more Shrouded Fables. And based on what we watch on different channels, some people had hard time getting pulls. So hopefully we get something good today, right? So let's rip it open. Go ahead, rip it open.
I think
You can open this one.
you can open this one.
Yeah, let's open everything. Well, at least the 2. So they come with 2 hollows and a full illustrated. Yeah, kingambit.
Let me see.
It's pretty neat.
Let me see. Whoa!
You like that?
Yes.
You gotta put them in the sleeve. Here's a code card for the first collector box. Here's fish art. And here's poniard. All promo cards from this collector box. And this one just comes with 4 booster packs.
Booster packs.
You good? Got it?
Yes. I got it.
Good job. We'll keep the extra ones
We got water packs.
and 4 more.
How about this?
Total of 8. Go ahead, rip it open.
Yeah.
From the second collector box. Got it?
Yeah. What are these?
Those are like art. You have to collect like all 5 tins and then you can connect them. See? Like all the other tins, they have all the other arts.
Oh, they're stickers.
So right now we only have this one, and then we can connect them if we get all. Yeah, it comes with stickers. You can
I need to put the sticker on the wall.
on the wall.
Yes, it would be cool.
You're silly.
It would be cool.
We'll find a place for it.
We
But it
got
comes with 2 more, so that's a total of 10 packs already. And then we got another one with Oinky Doggy.
Oh,
Kitten.
okay. So cool.
It comes with Okie Doggy.
Okie dokie.
And that's the 3rd picture. So we're missing one that belongs in the middle. So it's supposed to be like
Ooh,
this, and then there's supposed to be a middle one. But we'll keep this,
take this.
keep the tins,
Ooh.
put this together one day.
It's another pack.
Yeah, we got 2 more packs. So we got a total of 12 packs.
Okay, let's see this.
Those are stickers, and tins. Alright, go
We
ahead
do
and
it.
open it up.
Open it up.
Yeah.
These are cool.
What we got?
Wow.
Code card.
Code card. Wow.
We got Cedra.
Cedra. Cedra.
We got Varum.
Guru.
Houndoom.
Houndoom.
Eevee.
Eevee.
Slitherwing.
Slithering. Whoa.
Cassiopeia.
Cassiopeia.
Your bigger sisters.
My sister
Yveltal.
was going
Cresselia. Golbat.
go.
And Copper
Maybe
Hara. Hollow.
it's a hollow.
Yep.
You're shiny.
And just regular energy. Alright.
Remember, I block this energy. I don't like energy.
You can open the next one.
Okay. What are you doing next? Ah!
Can't even see your face.
Look at good noodles? You want to eat good noodles? I'm so good at this. Yep. Joe's wrong. Here.
So when I upload this,
Go card here.
it's actually going to be out of order because
Here.
we do have another video lined up, but since today was the release day of Shrouded Fables,
What do we got?
we got
Energy.
Fire Energy, we got Dratix,
Electric.
Stuffle,
Stuffle.
Houndoom, and
Houndoom.
Forfro,
Buffalo.
Power Glass,
Paragrass.
Slitherwing,
Murdering.
Colress, Tenexity, Iron Moth,
Arama.
Haxorus.
Oh, this is a hollow. Versus hollow.
You ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Tantrant EX.
Whoa! When I see pencil. Whoa, so shiny.
Yeah, we're gonna have to put that in the sleeve.
Yes. Look at the sleeves go.
It's in the drawer.
Lower.
Yeah, in front of you.
Okay, I'm gonna get it.
Why you do that? I'll open it.
See it.
Found it?
Yes.
Good job. Becoming a very independent boy.
Here.
All right.
Put down the sleeves.
Let's
We got
code
the
card.
opening.
Datrix.
Okay.
Duskull.
Duskull.
Houndoom.
Houndoom.
Damn, almost every pack we opened had a Houndoom. Stuffle.
Stuffle. So cute.
Jurassic.
She lost it.
Machinations.
Maceration.
Malamar.
Malamar.
Ooh.
Woo.
Sylveon.
Sylveon.
Varum in a reverse hollow. That's pretty neat. I like the pattern on the reverse hollow.
Woo.
Krogunk.
Krogunk.
Cresselia.
Cresselia.
And a regular.
We got EX card.
Let's leave this one up.
Here we go.
Now
Ooh.
protected.
Ooh, ooh.
Pretty good. Alright.
A help.
So it's sleeved up now. Here's the code card.
Oh!
And we got Zubat.
Super.
Drowsy.
Closet.
Absol.
Assel.
Joltik.
Chokic.
Crobat.
Clawback.
Janine Secret Art.
Denise.
Weevil.
Weevil.
Academy at Night.
Penny and Night.
Galvantula. Galvantula.
The Ventula.
And Reveroom EX.
Yeah.
Reveroom. And Rick.
When you put down sleeves.
Yes, we do.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Ah!
Next week we'll be going to Disneyland.
Disneyland
Yeah.
tomorrow?
No, next week.
Next week?
Yes.
Okay, next week.
We're also gonna be vlogging while we're there, huh? Let's
Let's see.
see. Maybe we'll check out
Disneyland.
other
I went Disneyland.
collectible stores down there and see what we can get.
You?
Yeah, since I'll just sleeve those.
I opened up.
Thank you. Here's the code card. Let's do it. Deuce clubs. Rowlet.
Flower.
Axu.
Asu.
Zoror.
Sorora.
Kyurem.
Korean.
Binding Mochi.
Bani Mochi. What's that?
Galvantula.
Galvantula.
Ooh, dangerous laser.
Ooh, dangerous. Let's say dangerous.
I'm in the back. Let's leave that one up. You got Zedra in the reverse hollow. Nice little pattern.
What's that?
I just dropped all the code cards that was just sitting there. And we got Zoroark.
Can we go to the gold card?
It's okay. And then you got a
Oh.
hollow energy, fighting energy.
Ooh, like
Yeah.
there's Pokédex on it.
We'll sleeve that one
This
up.
was Ben. That was Ben.
Is Ben?
Yes.
Oh no. I hope the cards are not Ben.
We get so free. The cards. Here, I got it.
Alright. Good job. Alright. Let's see what we got.
We got it.
Gold
And
card.
gold card.
Hope I don't drop it again because I just picked it up.
That was over here.
Joltik.
Chocolate.
Seadra.
Citra.
Baroom.
Baroo.
Houndoom. And
Hungoo.
Cassiopeia.
Cassiopeia.
Essidui.
Essidui. Essidui. What?
Academy at Night.
Ooh.
Dustnor.
That's
And a
no.
reverse hollow.
Reverse hollow.
We got Galvantula.
I see 2X.
And
And go.
3, 2,
2X.
Cecilia. Hollow. And just a regular energy.
I need a shiny energy. Why is that?
So it's only up to 64 regular cards. That's not on top of the secret rares, illustrated, and all that. So here is the code card.
Cool card.
We got Eevee.
Easy.
Eevee.
Easy.
Dartix.
Dark tips.
You know this one? Meowth turns into
Curtain.
Persian. Yeah.
And the
Crognut.
Cornut.
Jurassic.
Jurassic.
Machinations. Crobat. Janine's Secret Art. And I see something. 3, 2, 1. Neutralization Zone. Nice.
Nice.
We're gonna sleeve that one up. Zorora.
Yes, sir.
Caparara. And just a regular.
Regular.
These two come with
How about
hollow
these are shiny?
energy cards. Kind of like the 151.
How we like which one?
No.
We got this or this. We got 5 more. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, we have 5 more. Alright, so we're almost there. We went just a little bit over half of what we
Yes,
got.
sir.
But let's see I know the odds are slim because just watching other shows, some had hardly any pulls. Baroom, Toxicroak, Duskull, Beware. Oh, that's cool. Weevil, Night Stretcher, Genesect, Duskull, Galvantula, 3, 2, 1, Hexorus. Hollow. But the art was pretty cool and just a regular.
We got 3 more.
4 more. Well, you're opening up the 4th one.
I want to kill. I want to kill chicken nugget. Remember, I watch funny stuff.
You watch funny stuff?
Yes. See, I watch funny stuff. I see someone burp.
With any of the new viewers that are just joining in, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. And I think maybe once we get to like at least 100 subscribers, I think we'll probably give one of our full art Charizard that we got.
Charizard. We got
Horsey.
So cute.
Duskull. When that time comes, I'll definitely give instructions. Sneasel. Sylveon. Finding Mochi. Malamar. Houndoom. On a reverse hollow for once.
Reverse hollow.
Zubat. And 3, 2, 1. Kingdra EX.
Yes, let me see their powers. Oh, it's 3.
That's his health. That's 310. And 3, 2, 1. And we got lightning.
Put that sweeps.
Yeah, we're gonna put those 2 in the sleeves.
Here, sweeps.
Alright. Nothing too big, not such a big pool yet. There are some chase cards that chase.
We got 2 left.
After you open that one, yeah, we'll have 2 left.
Yes, sir. What's different? What is different?
What you mean? What you mean is different?
What is different?
It's because you didn't open it right. You missed the spot. Code card. Turn it around. We got Dartix. Persian again. Krogunk. Stuffle. Academy at Night. Kyurem. Hypno. Duskull. Sneasel. 3, 2, 1. Hexorus again. And oh, we got a physic. Hello. Or shiny. So shiny. I need to order you a new binder.
What?
It's okay.
I caught 2 of them.
Alright, on to our last 2 packs. Hope we get something good, or is it? Baroom. Absol. Absol is cool. I think he's like one of my top
You like Elsa?
favorite looking Pokemons.
You like Elsa?
Fracture.
Fracture.
Fracture is cool. I like that.
Whoa.
Duskull.
That's cool.
Desuduai.
The shoes do I?
Decute. Binding Mochi.
Binding-
Iron Mod. Inkay. Reversal Hollow. And we got a Horsey.
We got
Let's go.
Let's go. We go.
Nice. And then we got a Tapo Bulu. And just a regular energy.
Put that on the sleep.
Yes, we're definitely putting it in a sleep. Let's
Go.
go.
The very last one. It's the last one.
Last one.
I'm gonna kill the last one.
You're gonna kill the last one.
I like his head.
All right. Cross your fingers. Go card.
Go, 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 go.
All right. Here we go. Dartix.
Dartix. Curtain.
Persian.
Kroger.
Snuffle.
Snuffle.
Sylveon.
Sylveon.
Malamar.
Malamar.
Janine's Secret Art.
Chinese Secret Art.
You have an auntie named you.
It's a red one.
And you got Pokevital A. At least we got 3 different types. So.
I like
Nice.
it. I like
And
it.
we got Horsey Reverse.
Hollow. Reverse
And
hollow.
we got a Zorak.
Zorak.
And we got a Water Shiny. And that is it.
Yeah.
Let's leave it up. What'd you like to say to your audience?
Channel, like to comment, like to subscribe. Have a good sleep and good dream.
Okay. Have a good sleep and good dream.
Bye.
All right.
Bye.